Come ride with us, come smoke with us, come chill with us. Instead of sitting in, just judging us. Come roll with us, come smoke with us, come chill with us. Instead of sitting in, just judging us. Instead of sitting in, just judging us. Come roll with us, come smoke with us. Instead of sitting in, just judging us. Instead of sitting in, just judging us. Man, I came from the slums, bottom of the bottom, bitch, I came from the slums. Lived in them huts and I played in the mud. Ran from a war we was born in, nigga. Came to the States, now they on me, nigga. Send my niggas home like, what's up, my nigga? Do it B.I.G. for my bros back home. East of the home, bitch, I rep my town. Catch me slipping, or you catch around. Came to the States, man, I'm trying to get down. Cash up front, put the dough in my hand. Trying to get it in while a nigga live in. Life's real short for a young money male. Shots being fired, but we shoot to prevail. In these cold streets, you was shark or a shrimp. Killed up, be killed 38 on the hip. Sneaky little bitch try to hit me with the lick. Life of a young nigga trying to get rich. Snotty nose, booty scratching with it 4/5. Got a good heart, but my heart turned cold. Love get you killed, so we leave that alone. Black all down when the nigga talk loud. Bring his ass down, we can talk right now. Back against the wall, but I'm here right now. Watch them guns pop if a nigga make a sound. You can send a snitch to his grave right now. In them jail cells, we don't make a sound. Free J Crown, nigga, free my ace. About my nigga, bitch, I'm violent. Violent, put the burner to his neck till he give me silence. Pray to the mighty Lord for some guidance. In this physical world, we just lost men. Try and get a tight grip for this life in. Benjamin Franklin's count my ends. All I wanna see is my son smiling. Put a stamp on the system and I'm tired of the living. Welfare is the villain. Put us all in the box, they just waiting for the drop. They just waiting for the drop. They just waiting for the drop. Yeah, money. Wow. It's crazy how this world is, man. You know what I'm saying? A person is usually not what you perceive them to be. Absolutely not. You know what I'm saying? The predicaments of a man is what changes a man.